Sunday today, so we are on our way to Manila Ocean Park with Anika. Ayan, saan na yun? Yan. So, wala si Mrs. Nasa trip na naman. So, kami lang. We are headed to Ocean Park somewhere in Manila. It's just 20 kilometers away from Libis. So, malapit lang, no? Kasi nga si Anika every weekend nagaya na yan. Sa stage na siya na aware na. So, as much as possible, every weekend we try to bring her out. So, we've never been to Ocean Park. So, naisip ko, it's a perfect venue para maiba naman, hindi naman farm. So, makita naman siya ng mga sea animals. So, of course, first things first, kuha muna akong coffee dyan sa favorite place natin, no? So, see you when we get there. Alright, so got my iced coffee. Ayan, we are in EDSA. Sunday again, it's 10 a.m. Perfect day to drive. Bilis lang naman yun, 30 minutes I think we will reach the venue. So what do I expect? I think one of the highlights is may sea lion. So there's a sea lion show, no? Magpe-perform ata yung sea lion, I'm not sure. Tapos meron ding indoor na mga aquariums, of course. So I don't know what to expect actually. I didn't research. So I think Anika will enjoy the venue, Ocean Park, kasi first time na yun, no? So see you later. Actually, ito na. Here is Ocean Park. Kailangan huwag ka makulit. Ayan. Here is Ocean Park. So, akin ko lang po yung parking. Dahil it's my first time here. And dito Kalesa. Ito? Kalesa, oh. A horse. A horse ang Kalesa. Ayun, no? Horse. So, ayun, Kalesa. You see? Alright, so we found the parking spot. Yan. So safe naman yung parking nila. It's inside the compound. Kasi Manila is quite sketchy, no? So kung nasa labas, medyo kakabahan ka ng konti. But yung Ocean Park, they have their own parking space inside. So, mas ayos yun, di ba? Alright, so later. Excited?
Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Bye. Yeah.
Alright, so here we are. Walking to Ocean Park. Yan, maganda naman yung facility. So parang sa ibang bansa, parang sa Hong Kong, medyo modern na ng konti. From the outside, not sure what it looks like from the inside. So I bought the tickets online, QR code, sa Klook. It's 680 pesos ata per head, pati yung maliit. So I'm not sure kung magkano if dito ka bibili mismo. Sa online na para mas mabilis, baka sakaling mahaba kasi pila, so I don't know eh. So just to be safer, I bought it online, but you can also purchase ata online on their website, pwede rin ata. So alright, may penguin din pala, may penguin, tapos yun nga, yung sea lion, it's there. So they're still fixing, renovating. Ayan, ito siguro mga pagkain yan, mga food stalls. No? Hindi pa naman masyado magulo. So, alright. She is excited. Later, you will see. Yan, here we are. Hindi naman gano'n kadami tao pa. It's 10:30. So, nag-open ata sila 9. So, I'm wearing comfortable clothes. Light clothes. Kasi nga, it's a theme park. So, lots of walking. Tapos, may open space din. So, whenever there's a theme park, you need to wear comfortable clothes, no? Ayun yung tao. Wala na masyadong pila. Ayun pala. Kung may QR code, pwede nang diretso. Yeah, what? Yeah, yung swimming yun, oh. Oh, tara, let's see. So you can, Klook. I got it, Klook. Oh. So pwede pala mag-swimming doon. Ayun. Pero ginagawa ata. Not sure. Here is the entrance. Tingnan natin yung map. Ayan. So here's the map. Ay, may mermaid pool. Ano kaya yun, no? So ground floor. So may outdoor. May bird. May birds, oh. May mermaid, oh. Oh, let's see. Bahala na. Tara. Oh, pasok. Bilis. Dito. Uy. Dito, ayan, dito. Saan yung QR code?
Ay, scan sir, every attractions.
Ha?
I-scan na lang every
Ah, ito?
attractions.
Okay. So, yun pala. Ito yung QR code. Yan. So, scan daw every attraction. Ano no? Malalaman natin. Ayan, meron din silang birds. Ako, mahilig ako sa mga birds. So, yun, may kainan. So, may belater. Let's eat here. Parang American steaks. Yan, sakto. Diba? Ayun. So, parang urchin to. Ay, ano? Jellyfish. Yan. So, may retail store doon. Yeah, para talagang ano, sa ibang bansa. Ganda. And the ticket is only 680 pesos. Parang sulit. Doon tayo sa Oceanarium. So, una is the creepy crawler. Mga reptiles. Yan. Ground floor lang. Maganda, parang mall. Malamig. Tatlo. So, ni-scan. Yan. Actually, maraming tao. But, and for your mga reptile. More reptiles. Here. Oh, there's a lizard. Ganda, no? Parang dragon, no? Oh. You like it? Oh, wow, dragon, oh. Oh. Dragon, oh. Ganda nito, oh. Naninira, oh. This one, ganda. Dito na, dali. O, tara, dali. So, dito mga snakes naman. Here. Green tree python. Ayan. Snakes. Ayun. Ayun, may malaki. Ayun. Just finished the reptile. Ito, merong super toy collection. Ewan ko. Ewan ko kung ano yan. So, again, QR code for you to enter. So, actually, the process is very quick. Madali. It's puro food court sa ground level. So, walang problema sa pagkain. Again, theme park to. Right? Gusto nyo? Ayan. So, may picture taking. Ayan. So, you can get your pictures. 500 peso. 3 shots and namili kayo. So, ito, more on picture-picture. Superhero. And the famous, the iconic telephone booth of Superman. Nasaan na sila? Ito, may jeepney. And the place is very comfortable. Malamig. And may jeepney. Actually, I'm a fan of Superman. So ito, parang puro Superman. Ayun, puro toys, oh, look. Dami na lang memorabilia. Mga comics. Everything Superman. Ayan. See? Oh. Puro Superman toys. Ako, marami rin akong toys ng Superman. Ganda, oh. Kompleto sila, oh. Mga rare items. Mga vintage. Here, more toys. Look at the toys! Superman! Oh. Ganda ng toys nila, oh. Ito, life size, oh. Mahal yan. Yan. Ganda. This one I like. Oh, look, oh. Wow, look! It's Superman. It's big. Ganda. Ito, gusto ko rin ito. Ganda ng collection. No? Meron ka sa bahay nito. Ang ganda nito sa bahay. No? Ito, classic. Queuing for the Oceanarium. Yan. May penguin, mascot. So, yan yung mga pwedeng gawin. Right? So, nagpa-carry na sa baby. Dahil yan yung line. So, outdoor na. Aquarium, man. Ah, look at the fish. Ang laki ng ano, oh. Laki, eh. Laki ng arawana. Ay, hindi pala arawana. Ano to? Laki. Nice. Big mouth, no? Big fish, oh. Oh. Meron pa palang mas malaki. Ayan, oh. In person, it's really huge. Ang laki, oh. Grabe, mga pako, catfish. Laki, ito yung kamay ko. It's really huge. It's huge. Dito pa, meron pa. Sige, say mo yan. Yung outdoor. Siyempre, it will not be complete without the seahorse. Yan. Seahorse!
Dami habibi.
Dami seahorse. Ayan, oh. Ayan, dami nila. Oh.
Habibi, dami.
Dami seahorse, oh. Actually, nakakatuwa yung mga seahorse, oh. Dami nila. So, ngayon lang din ako nakakita ng ganyang karami. Up close. Close and personal. Kasi yan, mahirap na hanapin yan. It's nice that they have here. And yung madaling mo makita. Ayun, lionfish. Gusto mo makita lionfish?
Yeah.
Ito, lionfish. Ayun, oh, ayun. Ayun, lionfish. Oh, ayun sila, oh.
Hindi wild fish yan.
Lionfish. We are in Los Atlantis. Sa Big Dome. Ayan, ito, mga big aquariums naman. Saltwater pa rin. So, here is the big place. Mga bigger fish here. So, parang mga ano lang talaga, world class na rin. Big aquariums. Ito maganda. So rin one of the highlights din is yung tunnel nila. So they call it the living ocean. Ayan. From here, ang ganda kasi yung viewing nila. Ang lalaki. There's a shark. Oh. Ayun, shark ko ito. Ano ka? Oh, there's the shark. Ang ganda viewing nila. Ayan. Tara, punta tayo sa tunnel. Dali. Oh. So going inside the tunnel. Ito rin yung one of the highlights. Ayan. Siyempre, Ocean Park will not be complete without the tunnel. Ayan. Oh, dali, takbo ka na. Ayan. So everyone's sitting, relaxing. Nice assortment of fish. Oh. Oh, ayun o, bakit? Yan. So this is the aquarium for shark. Oh. Shark. Ayun, may malaki, isa. Yan, shark. Ayun. Hello. Takot siya. Takot ka. Dami sharks. Oh. Yan, hindi na takot. Yung mga shark. Naka-parking. Oh, magkano bayad sa parking nyo? Naka-parking kayo ah. Yung malaking ano, lapu-lapu. Yes? Ano, you're scared? No! Kakainin mo yun. Oh, hindi na takot. Ano ngayon sa amin? It's nice kasi malapit. So, kitang-kita mo siya. So, malaking TV. So, overhead, ceiling, race. Race. Yung race, oh. Ipat kami dito sa kabila. Mamaya, marami pa dun. Ayun, laki. Up to second floor to Antarctica. And this is Manila Bay. Baho ng Manila Bay. Ayan, so dito tayo mga penguins. So you will see the penguins. Dali! There! There! Second floor. Meron din food court. Then you get to see the view of Manila Bay. Reclamation. There's a big boat here. And, oh, oh? Talaga. Actually, the entrance is nice. Makes you feel that you are in Antarctica. So, hindi nagkulang sa decorations, yan sa information, the map, even the history of Antarctica. So, pinag-isipan. No? So, at the entrance, full of knowledge. All about knowledge. So, maganda. Hindi tinipid. So, queuing up for the penguin. Gumagalaw naman yung mga queue. So, everything is well organized. Then, full of information. So, knowledge. So, the line up. But the line is moving. ayos lang yan. Sa ibang bansa nga, hindi talaga gumagalaw yung league sa asin. Tapos dito, sa Sunday, medyo mabilis. So, they are prepared for the queue. Yan. So, there is a penguin feeding. 700 for 4 packs. Huwag mo sila i-feed doon. Para complete person.
I want
So,
to
gusto
sama dyan.
Yeah, bababa tayo doon. Ayun sila oh. Pero yung line kasi, medyo makaba. Feeding. Kasi kaya nakaline. So, waiting oh. Gano'n katagal yan. Tagal siguro. So, at least, up close and personal. Ayun sila. Ayun oh, baby, baby. Ang cute oh.
But fish.
Ayun na yun. Oh.
You eat the fish?
Yeah, fish.
Okay, where's the fish?
Eat the fish. Ayun.
Asan? Asan?
Ayun yung fish. Hawak yun oh.
I want the house.
Since we are in Antarctica, they have a Christmas village. Oh, di ba? Christmas is early. Yan. Oh. May pa lang. Pero dito, Christmas na. So, kasi Antarctica. So, she's running around with the Christmas decors and everything. Yan. While Yaya is queuing. While Yaya is queuing dun sa penguin feeding. Tambay-tambay muna kami. Our turn. Yan. So, dyan lang. Silip-silip. Tapos the penguins will be at your side. And you feed them with fish. You feed them with fish, no? Oh, mamaya na yan. Later na. So, waiting time, mga around 15 minutes to 20. Eh, okay na yun. Minsan lang naman. Ay! Sikip! Oh! Huwag mo hawakan, huwag mo hawakan. Don't hold. Don't hold. Asan na yung fish? Where's the fish? Walang fish. Ito ka. Ayan. Oh, lapit niya. Oh. Kuha ka isa. Get one. Ayan oh. Sige, huwag ka matakot. Bigay mo. Asan na? Ayun. Init na niya.
Dali na, Nika.
Hello.
Hold, pakainin mo yung fish.
Ay, lapit ayan oh. Oh. Ayan oh, pakain niya ayaw. Oop!
Ikaw naman.
Oh, isa pa. Oh, one more. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Ha? Oh, picture. Oh, may picture pa. Yan. So, we are in the store. Just like in other countries, mga theme park, they have a nice store. So, I think I want to buy the penguin kasi memorable. Yeah, first time namin magpakain ni Anika together. So, I love Anika. Pick one. Saan na ba siya? Naglalaro. Ayun. Ayun, ganda. Tapos may food court. So, malamang doon na kami kakain later. Alright. Wala na. Kumuha na ng bag. Tsaka mga gamit. Walang tingin-tingin sa presyo. Wala, ganun talaga bata eh. Amo na. Damage. 1.8. 1.8 lahat damage. O, kunin mo. Ikaw mag-carry niyan. Ayan, canteen style. Singapore. May doon ko trip. So, let's see. Meron pa ata dun. So, ikot-ikot muna ako. Baka mas marami dun. Pero, you have a great view here. Ganda ng view actually. Nice, no? Alright, break time. At least maganda yung view. With Manila Bay at my back. Alright. Just finished lunch. It's 1 o'clock. So, maaga pa. Ayan, bit na yung binili niya. So, the canteen is there. Food was not so great. Parang canteen na cheap. Pero okay lang. You know, para hindi kaysa malipasan ka. So, I think we are on our way to the Sea Lion. Outdoor na. dahil tapos na kami sa mga aquarium and the penguin. So far, hindi kami masyadong pagod compared sa other theme parks in other countries. Like, for example, in Disneyland, Diyan napagod talaga ako dun eh. Kasi it's purely outdoor. Tapos sobrang init, sobrang tarik ng araw. Pero at least dito, indoor. So malamig aircon. Huge part of the park is indoor. So, mas hindi nakakapagod, no? So alright, balikan ko kayo when we see the other exhibits. So we are inside the jellyfish. Ayan, mga neon. Ganda. So here's the place. Ganda oh. Parang maze, but it's really, really dark. So dapat dikit-dikit kayo ng mga anak yun. Pero the lighting is really nice sa aquarium. Neon. Ganda. Ganda dito. Parang Avatar. Ito pala. Ayan, the sea lion and the bird show is outside. So style, dami po. Dami pupunta. So style pala dyan, is all aquarium, doon sa loob. Then sa labas, ang bird show and sea lion at the back. So, let me ask. Time slot pala, kaya maraming tao dahil 12:30 kakatapos lang. Then the next time slot is 3 p.m. Then parang 4. So, I need to wait 2 hours if I want to watch the sea lion, no? So, tingnan ko kung paano. So, here is the schedule. By schedule pala. Ito. Yan. So, weekends and holidays, 12:30 to 1. Matagal-tagal din ha, 1 hour. 3 to 3:45, 45 minutes. 4:30 and 5:15. So, 3 shows pag weekend and holidays. Pag weekdays, ito lang, mas konti. Ayan, so ito yung place. Ayan, dun sa ano. So I need to wait. It's only 1:30. So we need to wait pa. So right now, bili muna ng ice cream. We need to kill time. Baka may mag-coffee ako doon. Okay.
Smile muna, smile.
Sarap ng ice cream nyo.
Picture, smile.
Sarap na na. Ayos yun ah. Okay, so we need to kill time. Ice cream muna, then kape ako siguro doon sa loob mamaya. So, sayang eh. Andyan eh. Tsaka yun na main attraction eh. So, we have no choice but to wait. Kasi hindi ko tinignan na may mga oras pala. Kala ko dire-diretso every hour. So, rookie mistake. To kill time while waiting for 3:30. 3 o'clock. Yan. Doon sa cafe at the exit. Doon yung exit. There's a cafe here. Kasi there's also a hotel inside this facility. H2O Hotel. So, parang sa ibang bansa, kung gusto mo yung hotel mo right beside the theme park or very near the theme park, you could stay here. Tapos diretsong theme park. Yun yung style nila. No? So, no choice kami but to wait an hour or 2 para to get that lion show. Yung kasi yung pinaka main attraction eh. And nandito na kami, so we don't want to miss it. So no choice but to wait. Comfortable naman here. So see you later. 2:30. Actually, ang bilis lang ng waiting time kasi yun nga, may cafe. Yan. Sa likod. And they have free wifi. Dito pala sa Ocean Park. They have free wifi na pass. So I just watched some YouTube videos while waiting, had a coffee. Then 2:30 na. So pwede na yun to wait kasi the show is 3 p.m. Walang pila pa dahil quite early. Still have mga 30 minutes and looks like it's gonna rain. Dito, dali! Tatlo.
You wait. Ako mo mga to.
Ah,
Very excited.
ito yung isa.
Here.
Kanin, thank you. Free seating kahit saan. Free seating. Sa harap! Sa harap kayo mo po. Yan. So free seating siya. So parang Universal Studios talaga. Sa Universal Studios kahit sa ibang bansa. Or SeaWorld. Oo. Ganyan din naman na style. Although maliit lang yung pool, but we want to see the lion up close. Okay? So, here is our sitting position. Harap. Ayan. So, kita-kita mo siya.
See the lion? Mamaya, lalabas na.
So, I think the show is 45 minutes long. Let's see, sana huwag masyado umulan dahil mukhang umulan.
Raining.
Ayan, okay. Starting na. Bird show. Kakatuwa, ang galing oh. Ayos ah. Ayos ah. Galing oh. Galing oh. Galing oh. Galing ah. Ito maganda oh. Red Macau.
Sassy, come on, girls, let me say, Sassy,
Nagba-basketball oh. Sassy. Sassy. Ayun, ganda. Robby.
Keepers ready, cheaters ready, set, go!
Oh, ayan oh. Isushoot nila oh. Isushoot nila oh. Up.
And it's a tie! And our last one!
Oh, sinushoot nila oh. Oh.
Rocky wins! Cheaters! Recycle your kick!
Galing oh. Oh, di ba meron ka niyan? Di ba meron ka sa bayan?
See, if our lovers can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular?
Oh, ito na, si Lions na. Oh, ayun oh.
Hello everyone!
Ganda oh. Oh. Ayan si Lion. Oh, si Inisa. Oh, galing oh. Oh, lala. Oh, galing oh. Galing oh.
Wow, what a
Come here.
wonderful entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Bergs and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers in one. Hey guys! How about a round of applause for Sue and Brent? Great job, ladies! And another one! They asking for it!
So the show just finished sa Lion Show, Sea Lion Show, and the Bird Show. It's nice, it's actually 3:30 na, 3:40. So medyo mabilis na yung show, mga 30 minutes. But again, for me it's nice. Yung ticket, 600 pesos, 680. So for what you get, may show naman, tapos it's a nice facility. So it's a nice day to spend, it's a nice place to spend your time with your family, no? So sulit na yun. Actually, natuwa ako sa Sea Lion and sa Parrots kung paano nila tinrain. So magaling naman yung show, maganda. Actually ako na-entertain eh. So that's it. Thank you for watching and please help the channel by subscribing and liking this video.